Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. I hope that you guys are having a wonderful, blessed day. If you don't know me, my name is Terry, and I would love to have you as a part of my crew. Go ahead and click that subscribe button and hit the notification bell so that you are aware every time I upload a new video. So today we are going to be doing a soft glam look, as you can see. I cannot wait for you guys to see how I achieve this look. I really had fun doing this, so let's get started. Hey! Okay, as you can see, I've already did my eyebrows, so we're going to take this hyaluronic acid serum and place a few drops onto the face, gently massage it in to moisturize. Okay, now we're going to take this shade Sparks Fly in the Boss Mood Artistry palette, and we're going to apply it right onto our crease with the M441 brush. Now going into this shade Fired Up, we're going to use this as our transition color, placing it right over the top of the brown that we just placed in the crease, using the M506 brush and blend, blend, blend. Okay, now we're going to take this shade Pop Star and we're going to place it right over the top of our lid using this e.l.f. eyeshadow brush. Now we're going to go back in with this M441 brush and we're going to blend like there's no tomorrow. Now we're taking this Ruby Kisses liquid liner in the color black and we're going to make this eyeshadow fly high with a nice wing liner. Lash time, ladies. First, we're going to take this L.A Colors Bold Lash Mascara and prep our eyelashes. And then we're going to take these Arielle faux mink lashes and we're going to place them on with the Ebony Forever Grip Bond Glue. Hey, go Terry. Now we're going to take this MAC Prep and Prime Spray and we're going to prep our face for foundation. Now taking this Maybelline Fit Me in the color 330, we're going to apply it all over our face and then blend it out with a dampened blending sponge. Now going in with the L.A. Pro Girl Concealer in the color Pure Beige, we're going to highlight right underneath our eyes, the bridge of our nose, the top of our forehead, our cupid's bow, and right underneath our bottom lip, and then blend it out with the beauty sponge. Now going in with this Mary Kay Concealer in the color Bronze 3 and this concealer brush, we're going to contour around the edge of our face, our cheekbones, and outline the bridge of our nose and then blend it out with the blending sponge. Going back in with the Pure Beige, we are going to highlight our contour and blend it out with the beauty sponge. Going in with this NK Perfection Banana Setting Powder, we're going to set our highlight and let it bake for 5 minutes. And then we're going to gently sweep it away using the e.l.f. face brush. Going into the color Pop Star again, we're going to use it as a highlight, placing it on the bridge of our nose, our cupid's bow, on our cheekbones right above our contour, our brow bone, and the inner corner of our eyes. Now we're going to take this LA Girl Glide Gel Liner in the color black and place it right onto our waterline. Now taking this LA Girl Dark Brown Lip Pencil, we're going to outline our lips for more definition, and then we're going to fill them in with the NYX Soft Matte Lip Cream in the color Lima. Going into this City Color Bronzer, we're going to place this right over the top of our contour. And then for the final step, we're going to spray this Mario Badescu Rosewater Spray to set our makeup. Okay, ladies, that's it. This is the final look. You can wear this look to school or to work or for your everyday errands. I hope that you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to subscribe and leave me a comment letting me know what you would like to see next. Love you. Bye.